Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and in today's video we are going to talk about Targeleon Affiliate Network Review. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to talk about Targeleon, a Polish based company established in the year 2014. They are 5 years in the industry, and what I love about Targeleon is that they are actually very up to date with the current trend. In fact, beginning of this year 2019, they actually rebrand their affiliate network. They made everything look so awesome. If you check out their website, everything looks clean. They rebrand the logo, they did everything rebranding. I mean, they rebrand everything to make everything look so awesome, and that I simply love the design of the website itself and the way they do. And I think they added few stuffs like push notification and stuff like that. Let's go deeper into their website and check out what they have to say. I'm going to check out every single thing that I can get about this website, guys. So what they say is monetize and earn more with mobile and desktop traffic. So we help our advertisers to get the best converting traffic source and strive guarantee maximum earning for our affiliate. So as you can see, this is the new session. This is all the sessions over here. This is about us. We are in the affiliate marketing niche since 2014, like I told you. Let's go to the publisher section. Yes, I always get that tongue twister when I say that word, guys. As you can see over here, this is the important section for us. So it's a fast payment. Now faster payment, actually their payment is already fast. So what they talk about faster payment, let's see. Faster payment: as soon as the advertiser approves your conversion, you can order a payment. No need to wait until the end of the month. The minimum payout is $25. Be paid through PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, e-payments, and Wired. So when you go down, models and verticals, look at how they designed the website, guys. I'm so in love with their website actually. So models and verticals, single opt-in, double opt-in, CPA, cost per lead, cost per install, CPC, CPA, CPS, one click, zero click, FTD. I have no idea what zero click is. So Targeleon team is focused on two things: your profit and your success. So we are dealing with the best converting vertical only: adults, mainstream dating, financial sectors, installs, PIN or credit card summit, sweepstakes, and every kind of entertainment offers. Now they are all direct and exclusive. We have always been waiting for your HQ traffic and ready to make you rich. Premium mobile and desktop offers. We connect desktop and mobile publisher with the premium offers. You can select to promote or choose our smart links. So they have smart links as well. So that's cool. Tools for publisher, direct link, XML feed, open RTB. So 100% fill rate and high eCPM. So rates, so common industry, ICPM. All right, this is all normal. Okay, let's go to the next session. Let's go to the let's go and talk about get in touch with us. All right, this is look at this logo, guys. This is kind of cute. So here you can actually send a message to them or reach them. This is another method to reach them. You can actually reach Max. This is your contact details, and this is Alex contact details. As you can see, they have even their HQ phone number, and they are at Warsaw. Warsaw is in Poland, guys, if you all don't know. Let's go for the ad format over here. Let's go and check out everything that we can actually check out from the website itself, because the website looks so awesome. Oh my god, look at this CPA platform push. Oh my god, this is so nice. I think I want to get the contact number of the designer so that I can design this website like this. Formats: CPA platform, push notification, self-serve platform, pop under self-serve platform, and they also have smart link. So they have a CPA platform, in-house offers, minimum payout. All right, we talked about this already. So push notification is something that they introduced only in the year 2019. So push notification is an innovative and user-friendly way to connect with your target audience, engage your user in the most effective way with our push database. We offer high volumes of HQ traffic that can be targeted with wide range such as geo-targeting, browser operating system. Nice. So pop under, buy a decent mainstream and adult traffic for needs. So they offer high volumes of pop traffic as well, so good. They have smart links over here. My god, smart link is like one of the best, guys. So why do I always like I'm keep talking good about this website is I love the design of the website. I love how they rebrand themselves. I love how they keep themselves up to date. Before this, they didn't have push notification, they didn't have pop under, they didn't have smart link. Now they have all this push notification, pop under, smart link, and everything else. And the best part, they have their offer section available for us to go and take a look at. So let's go and take a look at their offer section. And I just love it when an affiliate network actually put their offers in their website itself. Actually, they are very transparent, and Targeleon is actually super transparent. They put their contact number, they put their affiliate manager's contact number, they put their address, their HQ phone number, everything is in depth about it, guys. Definitely highly recommended affiliate network, guys. So let's check their offers. This is their offers, mostly adult offer. So they just preview. I mean, we can actually go down. I thought there was only previewing a little bit. So there's a lot of offers, guys, mainly adults offer. Actually, you can click over here. I just wanted to see what is this magic flow. So let's just see what is this magic flow. What is this magic flow, guys? No idea. Let's preview this offer, guys. So curiosity, how does it work? I think the time they click into this, then you get paid. I think it's simple as that. It should be simple as that, guys, because that's what it says. Just magic flow. So nothing else. No pop-up form, no fill-up form, anything. Nothing is over there. So all you gotta do is just click on it, and that's it. You get paid. You get paid $3. Definitely I'm gonna try to go and get into this, guys. So once you have actually signed up into the Targeleon, this is how the dashboard looks like. Sorry, guys, this is how the dashboard looks like. The dashboard of Targeleon, it's a custom-made dashboard. Nothing will look like this. We have checked out the offers previously, so we're not going to check out the offers again. So let's go different sectors of the dashboard of the Targeleon. The statistics looks good. Conversion, what is this? So this is where all your conversion will be. So they separated statistic and conversion, which is good. And then payments, they have talked about payments and everything. This is where actually you can submit your ticket to them, and you can even directly contact with the support, which is in their website itself. And then over here is the setting. This is very normal, guys. So I think that's about it regarding the Targeleon. Definitely, guys, highly recommended. Look at the offers, guys. They have good offers. Most of them are in-house offers, and it's, let me just filter. It's not only adults, guys. Maybe it looks like it's only adult. Let's go for my favorite, Sweepstakes. So let's go ahead and check Sweepstakes. As you can see over here, there is a lot of Sweepstakes offer available here as well. 38 offers available for Sweepstakes alone. So definitely there's a lot of variety of offers that you can test with the Targeleon. Definitely one of my highly recommended affiliate network that you should definitely go and try on. Just go ahead, just go through their website. You will definitely fall in love with them, just like how I did just by browsing through their website, guys. So I think I've covered most of the things regarding Targeleon, and that would be the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video, definitely go ahead and drop us a comment below, just below this video, and we will get to that comment ASAP, guys. I really hope this video was beneficial for you. If you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thanks again for watching.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.